Okay, here we go, guys. Fingers crossed. Hey guys, what's going on? It's Matt, Lionel of NW2. In today's video here, well, it's back. Let's go and take a look at it. It's my legacy NW2. Go and pop it open and we'll see what we got. Alright, so here we go. Looks okay. So, go ahead and throw it on the track and see what we got. Alright, so here it is on the track. Trucks are fine. At least they seem to be. There was some smoke fluid up on here. I just cleaned that up. I don't know. I also put these foam pieces in here. They weren't in here when I got the engine out, so maybe when they were fixing it, they must have found it and put them in or something. Extra protection, something. I don't know. So, okay, well, here we go. Okay, no short. That's a good sign. I always like to check because you'll never know. Let's see if we got it on the same number. Oh, look at that. I'm going to remove all the packing and then we'll go ahead and give it a run. Okay, well, it seems to be running the same way I remember it, nice and slow. It's got a short train with it, we'll go ahead and run it. So, let's go ahead and see what we got. Well, so far so good. I'll let it run and then I'll go ahead and film some quick shots while I'm running it. So, but yeah, seems to be running great.
Master. How's the lead look? Are we clear? Over.
Nice and slow.
Yes, the lead is yours. Over. Copy that. All clear to make our cut. Out.
Alright, so I just want to do a quick little video on this engine here, just showing you that all is well and it's back and running really well. So I'm really happy. It's a great engine. I've done several videos on it before and one more never hurts, so why not? So the problem with this engine was that the front truck, the drive shaft came undone, and that happened because I was talking with the engineering manager from Lionel. The guy's name is Dave Olson, and I was talking to him and about a problem I was having with the engine, and that was when I was trying to move it, it wouldn't move. It would grind a little bit and then the cab light would start flashing, and it was also drawing about 2, 3, 4 amps, and he said that the motor was locked, and he said go on the flywheel side, which is this side over here, and try to turn it with your finger and try to dislodge it. Well, when I turned it, it came apart. It's in 2 little pieces. And so I went ahead and sent it in, and that was the problem. And also both of my trucks were really loose. The front one, which was the one that I was having all the problems with, it was so loose that when you put it on the track you had to wiggle the body to get it into its slot. It was really bad. So I went ahead and fixed that, or rather had Lionel fix that, and it's all good. So really nice engine here. So look forward to maybe some more on this in the future, although I'll see what other YouTubers have on this particular engine because I think I've pretty much done enough. So anyway, really nice engine. So I will have a new blog video coming up on the layout here. I've done some work, so I'll show you guys that in the near future. So keep an eye out for that. But until the next one, I'm Matt, Lionel of NW2. You guys take care.